My life has always felt in motion, my heart an atlas of people and places. When I moved to Scotland at 7 years old, I did so with a broken heart, leaving behind the warmth of the east for a colder land of saltwater wind. So when my uncle and auntie came to visit, the first time I'd seen them in over 15 years, it felt like a missing page of a story being glued back into place. As we swept along the roads of Argyll, we recalled the days of yore, reaching into the past to polish off the precious gems of reminiscence.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling this heavy load got under your skin. Howling, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathing.
Hello, cat.
Hello. Do you want to be in my video?
Oh, are you videoing?
Hey, come alive. Breathing, breathe out. Look at the colors. Right.
Soon we came to Glencoe to stand in the shadow of the mountains, which in the words of Donald Miller, having seen untold sunrises, long to thunder praise, but stand reverent, silent, so that man's weak praise should be given God's attention. We felt the waterfall spray upon our cheeks, the ever-flowing water bringing stillness, nature expressing and exhaling out my restless churning in a way that words never could. The truth is, for a long time I didn't know where my home was, and even to say it was with people felt difficult because the continual moving made it hard to stay connected with those I loved. And even after living in Scotland for many years, I couldn't find it within myself to consider it home because it felt like a betrayal of where I came from. But as I looked around, what I saw was that those I thought lost were not so lost after all. And I've realised that, even against my better judgments, I do feel at home in Scotland now. Because wherever God is, there lies my heart's home and my life's adventure. And the veil between heaven and earth is thin in this land. I trust God to guide me in the path of peace. We then returned to a haggis supper, the perfect end to a wonderful day. Remember to like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed it, but until next time, it was lovely to have you here.